Hi, everyone. We are getting ready for International Women's Day, which is on Sunday. But instead of Sunday, we are actually going to be doing a 1 hour event with Nonya Collier. I'm Farnia Fresnel, and we're talking about igniting your goals bingo. So, what we're going to do is we're going to have a wonderfully fun conversation and play bingo. You're going to pick five different categories of things that are important in your life. Now, this will cover anything from doctor's appointments to, uh, talking to your team, to scheduling a weekly meeting, to taking a walk, to getting that certification that you've been putting on hold for a really long time, to getting more involved in your community. Whatever that happens to be, what are those five categories in your world that are important to you? And when you pick those categories, what's going to be really exciting about this is you get to level the playing field. Each thing is equally weighted, from drinking more water to eating healthy food to taking extra rest. All of it is equally rated. So, what we're most excited about is meeting you wherever you are and getting excited about your goals. So, join us on Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. 7 a.m. Eastern Time. And what we're going to do is play. We're going to have lots of fun. And in that time, you're going to get ready to prioritize those things that are important for you in your year. This year is very important for me, and I'm looking forward to supporting you on getting more of whatever it is that you're working towards this year. So, this is unpausing all of the amazingness that you have bottled up in your head that you just keep on hitting that pause button for. So we're unpausing that, we're unlocking that, and we're giving permission to play with that with no blame, no shame, no judgment, no anything. I look forward to seeing you on Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Someone asked me, well, why are you doing this at 7 a.m. Eastern? And I said this: at the top of your day, when you pay yourself first, this is no different than getting a paycheck and paying yourself first, investing, making sure that you save whatever you need to save before you have to pay out whatever mortgage, whatever this you're paying. So this is the same thing. When you start your day and you're charged up, when you start your day investing in yourself, there's something different that happens in your day. You open up your eyes and you see so much more opportunity aligned with what you're working towards. So that's why we're doing it at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. I know lots of different people in our ecosystem are in lots of different time zones, but we're doing this 7 a.m. Eastern Time to get you started at the end of your week before you go into a weekend, so you have plenty of time to refresh and rethink about those things, those 25 things that are important for you this year. Again, we are leveling the playing field where it's not going to be, hey, I don't have time for that because I'm working, or I don't have time for this because I'm doing something different. This is saying what is important. Let's put it at the forefront of your energy. Let's put it in front of you. So you get to look at it, review it, and be with it as often as possible. So you know when you check off that box to say, I did it, you will have the great sense of satisfaction associated with getting more done in support of yourself. This is a mask on first moment. I will look forward to seeing you on Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern. Let's get it done with a little bit of fun.